this young boy never had mango before. So he was very surprised to find an inner shell-like hard structure inside the mango. No matter how hard he tried to bite this, he wasn't being able to. So he went to his father. To answer this question, his father showed him the mango tree. He said that flowers eventually converts to form the fruit. See, the ovary of the flower converts to form the fleshy part of the fruit, and the ovule converts to form this seed inside the mango. Now the boy was very curious. He took a mango flower and dissected it. But he did not find any hard part as that seed of the mango. So he asked his father. His father told him that this part is the ovary, which forms the fleshy part of the fruit, and the seed of the mango contains an embryo, which forms the new plant. Now, the embryo needs protection from the outer harsh environment. For that, after fertilization, the ovule inside the ovary becomes hard to form the seed in order to protect the embryo inside. So, the inner hard shell-like structure inside the mango is converted ovule into a seed. So fruit is the fleshy part surrounding the seed. One day, while returning from home, the boy found a corn seller selling corns. He decided to buy one. Now, while eating, he found an inner hard structure. He assumed it to be the seed. But to confirm whether it is the seed, he went and asked his father. His father told him that it is actually the stem. He took a corn and told him, this is the fleshy part of the fruit, and inside the white structure is the seed. All fruits contain seeds, but there are certain fruits in which the seed cover remains fused with the fleshy part of the fruit. So such fruits are known as grains. See, in these grains, the seed cover and the fleshy part of the fruit remains fused together, just like the corn. Now, if you've traveled by train, you might have seen this. Farmers often throw seeds on the field. Now, after a few days, these fields become green. See, the same field looks like this. So, how did these new seedlings grow? Well, the seeds that were scattered by the farmer had converted into these green seedlings. So, the process by which embryo present within the ovule forms a new plant under favorable environmental conditions is known as germination. Now, there are 4 pictures. Now, among them, can you classify which is a fruit and which is a grain? The pea and a papaya is a fruit because the seed cover and the fleshy part of the fruit remains separated, whereas the wheat and the rye, both of them are grains, because the seed cover and the fleshy part of the fruit remains fused together. So these are fruits, whereas these are the grains.